Hello children, today we are going to study about division. Division is a repeated subtraction. Divide 7 by 2. Here 7 is dividend. The number being divided is called as dividend. 2 is divisor. The number that divides is called as divisor. We know that 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Here 3 is quotient. The number obtained by dividing the dividend by divisor is called quotient. 4368 is divided by 6. Here 4368 is dividend and 6 is divisor. To solve this simple division, there are 5 steps. Step 1 is to compare the digits. We compare the leftmost digit, that is the 1000 in the dividend, which is 4, with the divisor 6. As 4 smaller than 6, we compare the 100 in the dividend with the divisor. Here 43 is greater than 6. Now we can divide 43 by 6. So step 2 is to divide. Here as the divisor 6, we use the table to find the product which is equal to or less than 43. So the nearest product is 42. Hence we write 7 in the quotient. Step 3 is to multiply 6 by 7. As we know that 6 into 7 is equal to 42. We write 42 under 43. Step 4 is to subtract 42 from 43, which is equal to 1. Now step 5 is to bring down next digit, that is 6. After bringing down the digit, we repeat steps 1 to 5 till there are no more digits to bring down. So here we again compare 16 and 6. Here 16 is greater than 6. So we can divide 16 by 6. The nearest product to 16 in the table of 6 is 12. We know that 6 into 2 is equal to 12. So we write 2 in the quotient and 12 under 16 and subtract 12 from 16, which is equal to 4. Now bring down next digit, that is 8. After bringing down the digit, we again compare 48 and 6. Here 48 is greater than 6. So we can divide 48 by 6. The nearest product to the 48 in the table of 6 is 48. So we know that 6 into 8 is equal to 48. Now we write 8 in the quotient and 48 under 48 and subtract 48 from 48, which is equal to 0. Now as there are no more digits to bring down, we have finished our division. Thus the quotient is 728 and remainder is 0. Divide and verify. Divide 439 by 9. To solve this simple division, 439 is dividend and 9 is divisor. There are 5 steps. Step 1 is to compare the digits. We compare the leftmost digit, that is the hundreds in the dividend, which is 4, with the divisor 9. As smaller than 9, we compare the tens in the dividend with the divisor. Here 43 is greater than 9. Now we can divide 43 by 9. So step 2 is to divide here as the divisor 9. So the nearest product is 43 in the table of 9 is 36. Hence we write 4 in the quotient. Step 3 is to multiply 9 by 4. As we know that 9 into 4 is equal to 36. We write 36 under 43. Step 4 is to subtract 36 from 43, which is equal to 7. Now step 5 is bring down next digit, that is 9. After bringing down the digit, we repeat steps 1 to 5 till there are no more digits to bring down. So here we again compare 79 and 9. Here 79 is greater than 9. So we can divide 79 by 9. The nearest product to 79 in the table of 9 is 72. So we know that 9 into 8 is equal to 72. We write 8 in the quotient and 72 under 79 and subtract 72 from 79, which is equal to 7. Now as there are no more digits to bring down, we have finished our division. Thus the quotient is 48, remainder is 7, divisor is 9, dividend is 439. We know that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is 439. We put the values of all the digits. We put the values in it. 9 into 48 plus 7. We multiply 9 into 48. 432 plus 7 is equal to 439. Thus we get the equal numbers equal to the dividend. Hence verified. Now we solve problem sums. There are 28 toffees in 1 kg. How many toffees will be there in 12 kg? If 16 toffees can be packed in one box, how many boxes are needed to pack all these toffees? According to this question, we have number of toffees in 1 kg is equal to 28. Number of toffees in 12 kg is equal to 28 into 12. Now we multiply 28 by 12. 28 is multiplicand and 12 is multiplier. 28 into 2 is equal to 56. 28 into 1 is equal to 28. Now we add both numbers together. We get 336. 336 toffees. Number of toffees in one box is equal to 16. Number of boxes needed is equal to divide 336 by 16. Now we divide 336 by 16 to the right side. 336 is dividend and 16 is divisor. We know that 16 into 2 is equal to 32. 33 minus 32 is equal to 1. Now we bring down next digit, that is 6. We compare 16 and 16. 16 into 1 is equal to 16. Now subtract 16 from 16 is equal to 0. We get 21 boxes. Thus 21 boxes are needed to pack 336 toffees. A gardener brought 538 apple trees. He wants to plant 15 in each row. How many rows can be planted? How many trees would be left over? According to this question, we have total number of apple trees is equal to 458. Number of trees in one row is equal to 15. Number of rows is equal to divide 458 by 15. We divide 458 by 15 to the right side. 458 is dividend and 15 is divisor. We know that 15 into 3 is equal to 45. Write 45 under 45 and subtract 45 from 45 is equal to 0. Now we bring down next digit, that is 8. We compare 8 to the divisor 15. 8 is smaller than 15. Now we write 0 in the quotient and 8 is remainder. We get 30 rows. Thus 30 rows can be planted and 8 trees are left over. Thank you, children.